In the field, every component, every capability must be crafted for a single purpose: mission success. When seconds matter, cyber defenders depend on technology that works, effective, reliable, every time. Good enough isn't an option. At SealingTech, we engineer and manufacture hundreds of custom cyber solutions each year. This is the story of one powerful cyber flyaway kit built for mission success. Every kit begins the same way: a mission challenge that standard solutions can't overcome. At SealingTech, our team analyzes every detail, every specification, every operational constraint. When a mission demands truly unique configurations, we engineer new ones. Our product development team transforms mission challenges into mission success. Conceptual diagrams become detailed designs. Theoretical performance becomes simulated reality through thermal analysis. From digital to physical, rapid prototyping transforms designs into tangible hardware. Real-world performance demands real-world testing. Prototypes prove the concept. Now is the time for precision at scale. Every component is rigorously tested, every kit verified. Hardware and software unite. Our software stack deploys seamlessly, providing cyber defenders the tools they need to execute their mission. From mission challenges to real-world solutions, from concept to powerful capability, our cyber flyaway kit, engineered to specifications, built to standards, and ready for action, joins the mission. One kit, countless hours of engineering, endless attention to detail, unwavering commitment to those who defend our nation. This is SealingTech. This is mission-critical engineering built for success.